Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a little different because I'm going to show you how to use Zoom in your Tesla. This update came about very recently. I think I installed this maybe yesterday as I'm recording this video. So let me show you how to now use Zoom directly from inside your Tesla. All right, let's get inside. Now, if you're new to this, what you're going to do is click on the three dots. And then you're going to choose Zoom right here. If you have used Zoom previously, it's actually going to save it right here. I just noticed it's already inside my main panel, my dashboard. So now it opens, I'm going to log in. Okay, I have successfully logged in. And as you can see, I can very easily start or join a meeting. And I'm curious, I mean, this is a brand new update. So let's start a meeting. I just want to see the overall quality of this too. So it says you are host now. One more thing as I noticed is that in addition to your screen on the right hand side, you also have these controls here in the lower left hand side. So you can start your video. Whoa, this is the video. It's definitely not the best experience. I don't even know. Let's see what happens if I turn on the light a little bit more. I can unmute myself like this. And right now it shows me, again, I can start video, mute. I can see the participant right here. I can hang up. If this is going to be the quality of my video, I will most likely turn it off. My Model Corporation, C#.net developer Adam Leffert. So as you can see, the video quality on the screen is really good. Frankly, it's the same thing as if you were to have an iPad. I think it's even better. But you can see like me in this little corner here looks terrible. So here I'm going to show people right now, like you can see who's in this meeting. It's not perfect. How about my sound, Adam? How well can you hear me?
Decent. No problem understanding you. Can you turn off the video?
Yeah.
That'd be less distracting. Yeah, and now you're, now you get the little icon and keep talking.
Yeah, your sound is really clear. Hi guys, back in my office. I do need to add a couple of messages here. One is that when you first start using the Zoom app, Tesla's going to warn you to make sure you're not in traffic and you're not paying attention. So once you figure out the details, you log in, you join a meeting moving forward, yes, you can actually join while you're driving, and you do have to be very careful, right? Now, second thing is if you're hosting the meeting, you want to designate a co-host. So think about while you're driving, going through a tunnel. As a host, you might just disappear or the thing just stops working. The third thing I'll mention is that the Tesla connection to Zoom is still very new and there are a lot of features missing. In order to do that, you might have to join the meeting regardless from your phone, at least for now. This is very much still beta. This is the very first release of Zoom being installed inside Tesla. Things, for instance, as in assigning roles, or any of the advanced features or chat, none of that exists. I think it's a good idea for chat to not exist. But in terms of assigning roles, screen share, those things will not be there, right? Really what this release is about is for you to be able to join. And the picture quality is very poor, meaning you as a Tesla driver or anybody in your car, that's gonna come through as a joke. I mean, the camera is not capturing really, other than black and white, the shape of your face, nothing else is there. So we recommend that you turn the video off for the time being for this release. If there are any more updates coming from either Zoom or Tesla, I'll be sure to keep you updated. Thank you so much for watching. This is Faye from Feisworld Media, and this coming year in 2023, we're gonna focus so much on YouTube strategy to grow your business. So stay tuned. I cannot wait to continue this journey with you. Mwah.